Good morning, everybody. It's me, Teresa Perrin. Welcome back. Today is Thursday, October 13th, 2022, and this is my stock market morning watch list. Guys, I want to caution everybody today because by the time you're listening to this, CPI numbers probably came out, and I think it's going to be an extremely volatile day. So anyways, let's get started. Please remember, nothing I say is financial advice. Always do your own DD. And again, this is a watch list. Things could change dramatically based on the CPI index numbers. Okay, guys, LASE, laser photonics. LACE is the first ticker on my list. It is up 66% in the past week. And in pre-market, guys, after I took this photo, it continued to rise and was up over $4. I'm not quite sure what caused this, but apparently this stock is rallying. So keep this on your radar. MMAT, guys, also MMTLP. These are both having tremendous runs right now. MMTLP is the dividend that somehow became tradable, and a lot of people have their eyes on that, which I think is also creating this spike in MMAT. Both of them, to the best of my knowledge, are heavily shorted. So I think that you are going to see them continue to make nice runs to the upside. There is a lot of momentum in these plays, so continuing to watch these. LabVIEW, guys, with the healthcare conferences going on this week, I do expect this to make moves to continue to the upside. As you can see, it's still down 12.55% in the past week, but the last 2 days it has been rising. So I am continuing to monitor this, and it's getting close to where I think we're going to see a break to the upside. Again, CPI could change all that, but it is on my watch list. IMUX. Guys, if you have been in this since I called this out when I first saw it, congratulations. I did not take the trade, but this is absolutely phenomenal. I was worried about this gap fill down here that it has not come to get yet, but be mindful that this does exist. However, this is going up and going up strong, so it is still on my radar. TOPS, TOPS. Guys, this one continues to have wild runs. It's an excellent stock to day trade for the moves up and down, so I'm continuing to watch this and see if that trend continues today. BGXX. Guys, I know nothing about this except that it was called out briefly this morning on my stock screener, and I just happened to take a screenshot to see what happens with this. Again, I know nothing, but it's down 27.29% in the past week, and it does appear that it's kind of made a bottom, it looks like here, but I'm not confident in that. So again, guys, this is solely a watch. I don't know why they were calling this out this morning. It was up a couple cents when I looked, so kind of confused, but I just thought it's worthy of keeping an eye on. APDN, another stock, guys, that has been going very, very strong. It's up 101.44% in the past week. And again, it's trying to move and break past that $3 this morning. So this is also on my watch lists. NVAX, like I told you guys, had a conference this week. When I talked about it, I think it was at $17, and it's all the way up to $20.09 on Tuesday. It hit $21 and change, and it's pulled back and it's starting to make that move to the upside, which I do expect to continue. Again, another very heavily shorted stock. You know, what will CPI bring today? I'm not quite sure, but this is one that should be on everyone's radar. It has a gap fill up to like $56 from, I want to say it's either, I'm not sure if it's like high 30s or low 40s, but it goes up to like $54, $56, something like that. And I think it could easily get there over the next month or two if this continues to make moves to the upside. TTOO, guys, I tweeted about this yesterday because I'm intrigued. The float went from like 384 or something like that million down to 6.8 million due to this reverse stock split, which was a 50-to-1. Obviously, like I expected, it pulled back even further this morning to make a low of around $2. And now it seems to be trying to recover a bit. I am watching this, solely watching this, guys. I don't want anyone to get trapped, but I do think with the 50 to 1 and the much smaller float that this could be an opportunity for longs to trap shorts. Will shorts continue to try to short it? More than likely they do when there's a reverse split. However, could $2 be the low that they could have taken it to, and could we get the bounce rally from here? It's possible. So like I said, I am solely watching this right now to see if it gets a momentum rally, because this has been a very popular stock with retail in the past. WKEY, and I'm also going to tell you TKAT, which is not pictured, but they tend to run together, guys. And WKEY is up 14% in the pre-market. Guys, I believe that this is a technical, as it hit a bottom sometime this week of around 140, 150. Trying to remember off the top of my head, but this is something that they potentially are trying to take long now. So keep it on your radar, and keep TCAT, which is a sympathy play to it, on your radar as well. FWBI, guys, I'm puzzled that this got down to as low as it has, but it did. So now all I could say is I did take an opening position in this, because it's only an opening, because it could continue to go lower. I'm not quite sure what it's going to do, but as you can see, over the past week, it's down 19.90%, and right now it seems like it's finding its bottom, or at least appears to. Could CPI make it go lower? Absolutely. So again, I'm watching this for the rally, and it's just a starter position. I'm not recommending anybody do that unless you have very high risk tolerance, as I do, and you're willing to wait. But guys, I do think that when this bounces, we will see it minimum double, if not triple in price. But again, is that going to be this week? I do not know. That's why I'm watching it. OXY, guys, oil is up again today. Oxy was strong yesterday. It broke through that resistance of 65.58 and pulled back some, and now it's trying to make its way back up in the pre-market. I do think oil plays will be strong again today, so I keep in mind Chevron. Even IMPP for the penny stock. I'm sorry, but I'm not going anywhere near CEI. That is just a mess as far as I'm concerned, and I wish everybody in that luck. Hopefully you've gotten long gone by now, but if you're still in that play, best of luck to you. It is just ugly. But guys, also look at like Devon Energy, look at PBR. There's several of them, guys, that you can make some serious money on. XOM, you know, oil, I think, is going to continue to be hot. So should be on everybody's watch list. CLSU, guys, this is actually some stock that I found looking at what's up, because there's not a whole lot of things that have been, you know, trying to hold an upswing, right? So CELU is up 6.88% in the past week, and I like these levels for either a breakout or a rejection. So keep an eye on this today to see if it can break out. My apologies. RLMD. Holy moly, guys. So this is down up to around $7, but it dumped 84% in pre-market on unachieved phase 3 clinical trials, which I believe they're going to continue ongoing, because the placebo had extremely high results, which didn't make sense for a depression medication. So I'm guessing as a nurse that they just did not have a good selection of patients that they were treating, because guys, there is a placebo effect where people, you know, take medicine, and just because they're taking any pill, they suddenly think they're feeling better. Usually it does not last. So this is intriguing to me as a nurse. Now, be careful, because this is their main drug candidate from what I understand. I knew nothing about this prior to today and seeing this massive dump. But it could get a rebound rally depending on what breaks. Are they going to continue the trial? What is going on with this? Or it could continue to dump further. Again, it's at $7 right now, so it does appear to be getting some kind of rebound rally. But like I said, this was their phase 3 drug candidate. That was for a primary, but it still may be usable as a secondary treatment to depression. And guys, the stock was trading, I think the lows for the past year were like $20 and it was up to like 30 something dollars. So this is really significant drop that may get a rebound rally. It does have 90% institutional ownership, which is what intrigues me. Again, it's sitting at 7. Let's see if it can break double digits. I don't know. Just interesting to me. So watching. REVL has a court date today, I believe, guys. I haven't been following this as closely as I once was because unfortunately my life has gotten busy and you know, like I said, I made my money, got out, but there may be an opportunity here. It's either going to pump or it's going to dump today. So it should be on your watch list. Based on after hour movements up to 450, does somebody know something, or is somebody trying to get retail suckered in to buy more? I don't know. I'm not going to give a direction either way in this stock, but I am going to tell you that whatever it does today, it could have a significant move in either direction. Indo, guys, this is my play of the week. I'm not quite sure why it's down because oil prices have been up, but there has been a divergence this week where oil dumped again. But it appears from the looks of the weekly chart that it has hit its bottom and is starting to recover. Does it hit a bottom again? Anything's possible, especially with CPI, or does it recover and make a nice move to the upside? I'm hoping that it makes a nice move to the upside because I really like the stock and I think it's going to be a great play when it does. Is that going to be today? I'm honestly not sure, guys, which is why it's on my watch list. And CYRN, again, guys, I called this out earlier in the week. This is something that I've been watching due to the airlines and the airports with their security breach and technology or security issues, cyber attack, whatever you want to call it. But guys, this is a cybersecurity stock that I am watching to continue to make nice moves to the upside now that it has broken out of this downtrend. So anyways, guys, that's my watch list for today. Good luck to everybody. Be careful with CPI out there and have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching.